Hi there, and welcome to the Manifestors Circle. Have you ever noticed that some people seem to effortlessly land their dream job without much effort? It's like that they've mastered the art and skill of manifestation. But guess what? You can do the same. I'm going to show you how you can use the law of attraction to manifest your dream job. First, if you're new here, let's quickly review what the law of attraction is. Simply put, like attracts like. Your thoughts determine your reality. So if you're focused on what you don't want, you'll get more of what you don't want. But if you focus on what you do want and have a clear vision for what that is, you'll attract more of that very thing into your life. So how can you use this to manifest your dream job? Let's get into it. First, get a clear vision. Let's say, for example, you want to be a writer. Simply saying that you want to be a writer isn't enough. Truly dig deep and uncover the feeling of why you want to be a writer. Is it because you enjoy using your creative gift? Or perhaps you are attracted to the lifestyle of working on your own schedule. Whatever it may be, think about what and why you want to manifest this dream job. Next, write that desire down. There's something special, very special about putting pen to paper. Very clearly write out what it is you're wanting to manifest with this job. Some of you may be partial to having it on your phone, while others want to write it down on a notebook. There's no wrong way to do this. I personally like to have these notes easily accessible where I can view it daily. I'll explain why this is so important later on. You will then want to visualize yourself doing this job. This is probably one of the most important steps because it involves vibrational energy. Research actually shows that athletes that use visualization as part of their training perform better than those who do not. In fact, athletes that practice this end up firing the same muscles during the visualization as they would actually performing the task. Visualization takes practice, but start off by picturing yourself in detail doing your dream job and really feel it. There's no such thing as too much detail in this exercise. Imagine your workspace, see yourself doing the job, and take note of what your life feels like showing up to this dream job. By doing this, you're raising your vibrational energy to that of what you wish to attract. Following your visualization practice, you'll want to release the desire completely. And this may be challenging if you're new to using the law of attraction. But don't worry, manifestation is like a muscle, and we are just warming up. Because we're human, we are going to have intrusive thoughts. In other words, your brain may begin to tell you that this dream job isn't achievable. Our brain's job is to keep us safe. Something new, like this dream job, may seem so scary when we try to convince ourselves that it's not something we truly desire. These are called limiting beliefs. They are going to happen, but it's important to recognize them and learn to let them dissipate. This leads me to the next step, which is to repeat affirmations. Remember, the law of attraction relies heavily on vibrational energy. So when manifesting your dream job, have some affirmations handy to replace those limiting beliefs when they pop up. Some examples are, I am a magnet for my dream job, and everything I do turns into success. Take a second to write an affirmation now. Just one. Set it with intention in the comments below, and remember this when doubts begin to flood your mind. Now, the law of attraction does require us to take action. This practice isn't simply a wishing well. It will require dedication and patience on our part, but be cautious about how much effort you put in. Confront your dream job every day and take thoughtful and purposeful action towards your goal. So if your dream is to be a writer, begin writing, no matter how little. Movement towards the goal is what matters, not speed. Remember, it's all about vibrational energy. Putting yourself in the frequency of what you desire is all you need to do. Know that the universe loves balance. Working yourself ragged isn't a balanced energy. Trust the universe to do the heavy lifting from here on out. The final step to manifesting your dream job is to have faith. The law of attraction is a practice and belief that has been in existence since the beginning of time. It is always working, whether we're conscious of it or not. If you've followed these steps and have done it right, it's time to let the universe do its job. To stay in a job that isn't fulfilling is doing yourself an injustice and robbing the world around you of what you can bring to it in your dream job. Believe you can have it, and you can. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe for more daily lessons on manifestation and the law of attraction from the Manifestors Circle.